Hi everyone, Lynn here from Made with Love by Lynn, and I'm excited to bring you our brand new product, which is our new TackyWax. TackyWax came about from a couple of people, several people actually, asking me if I'd ever thought about making a wax for diamond painting. And I'm always up for the challenge for trying new things, so I thought, why not give it a go? And then about a month ago, I started researching what I needed to get, how I could do it, different things like that. And then I started buying in different ingredients and testing, mixing various blends and whatnot to try and get something that I was happy with. And this is the final result. And as you can see, it comes in a variety of shapes. And I love the little turtle. He's so cute. And you know, different fragrances, and there'll be more to come in the near future. And before I go any further, I just want to say that I have never tried any of the other waxes available online, except for the pink wax that you get in your kit. I've never tried any of the other ones, so I don't know how they're made. I don't know how they work. I've only watched videos. Mine, I feel, works a little bit differently. You don't need to warm it at all. Some of them I've heard need to be warmed up before you can use them. And although this is quite a firm wax, it's a very firm wax, you don't need to warm it up before you use it. So let's get started and show you how to use this wax. So I have my little mini or micro mini tray here with some tiles in it. And I have my sticky tape on a piece of cardboard. Now this wax, unlike some other ones, you don't have to worry about warming it up before you use it, as I stated before. And if you have to leave your diamond painting for any period of time, like going to bed or going to the shops or whatever, it could be a few hours, it could be a few days, you don't have to replace the wax in it. You can just continue on where you left off. The wax in this end has been in here for now about 3 or 4 days. And as you can see, it just picks up the tiles perfectly. There's no having to do anything. And I've already done a whole lot with this one, and it's still going strong. So now how do we use the TackyWax? Well, first let me remove. So I just use the tip of a pair of tweezers to remove the wax, and we'll just use this little piece. This is just a little piece of a broken mermaid tail. I love the mermaid tail, it's so cute. So we go on the back. We don't want to mess up the front, the pretty side, so we go on the back of it, and you just poke it in and twist it. Twist your pen as you go, and you do that a couple of times until you get quite a bit of wax in there. And then you just wipe off any excess. And then to activate the wax, you push it down with your thumb or your finger, whichever you prefer. And then I like to just do this on a hard surface. You can use either the side of your canvas or a piece of cardboard or paper or even your desk. It's not going to make any difference. And once you've got the wax in there, and see if I can show you, the wax is in there nice and flush. Once the wax is in there, you just pick up a diamond and off you go. There is a little bit of a snap as you're placing them to start with. It doesn't last forever, but it is there, and you don't have to press ultra hard. Just a light press down. Just pick them up, push them down. Now you may also notice you'll get a little bit of wax. I don't know if you can see that or not. A little bit of wax just coming off the edges. That's perfectly normal, because what's happening is the wax is setting itself. So you just wipe that off and keep on going. Just keep on going and going and going. Now the good thing about this also is you can use it in your multi-places. I have it set in this one. So you can pick up, if I've got 3 here, you can pick up your 3 tiles. Oops. Running out of tiles in my tray. Pick up your 3 tiles and just let me fill my tray a little bit more with some more tiles. I'm running out a little bit, and yes, I do overfill, but not by that much. I always add a lot more tiles to my tray than you should. It's a habit. So pick up your 3 tiles. Oops. For some reason these tiles don't want to behave themselves. Oh. I assure you it does work. This wax, probably haven't put enough in there. I was just testing it out before. So all you do to fill these is you just scrape it along. Make sure you get lots on there. And then push it in with your finger. Same as doing the single tip. Wipe off any excess. Any excess can then be put back onto the block and press down onto it, so you're not actually losing any if you don't want to. Or you can just discard it. It's totally up to you. I tend to just throw it away. So let's try this again. So press down on your 3, and as you can see I have 3 tiles there, and then you just place them. 3 and place them, and it works so well. And it's also the same with your triple tip. To do your triple tips, same thing, just push it down into the wax one side, turn it over and push it down into the wax the other side. And once you've got wax on there, you just clean it off. I make a bit of a mess when I do this, but you know. Activate it by wiping it across with your finger, and then three tiles, and it just works. It's just, I love this wax. I am so happy with how it's turned out, and I hope you all love this wax as well. And I think that's it. If there's any questions, if anyone has any questions, feel free to email me at madewithlovebylynn@gmail.com or leave a comment below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.